Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. This is part two of earning strategy, my strategy of earning money through binary option trading, which I explained in part one. And this is the practical aspect of it. I'm gonna enter my Qtest, the broker where we trade now. You understand? And use the demo to illustrate how the trading works. You see, when you learn this thing, it's very easy. Initially, it may confuse you, but with time, it gets better. And like I said, binary option trading is a type of forex trading that runs 24 hours a day. And practically now, let me show you how we trade it so that you may not understand it, but don't worry. Inconsistency lies the power. Anything you want to learn, if you contact us, I coach people on crypto and also how to trade this binary. And I think many people are happy through my coaching and teaching them. You contact me later, I will do that. But let me just say, this is let me say, sorry, let me change something. Sorry, okay, let me say I go to my broker, which is Qtest. I use Qtest, I've used Pocket Option. So Qtest is a very good broker. Although all these things we trade, they charge fees. Okay, this is the demo. Yeah, this is the binary option trading. The demo I placed to, we placed time like 5 minutes. These 5 minutes I just placed now is the time I'm placing trade. This is practical. So let me show you practical how we trade it. I'm not analyzing. Let me just place a trade so that this video will not be long. So even if we go lost, no problem. It's just for tutorial purpose. Remember, it's not a financial advice to trade this, so it's risky. But also, those who want to make money every day, you can learn this and use it to earn money, especially in dollars. See, the demo is showing $10,000. If you're in any country, Nigeria, whatever, you fund with your local currency converted to dollar, or you fund with cryptocurrency USDT dollar. So briefly, this is how the market moves. And I've placed 5 minutes now. I can also, this is 10% of my capital. I can risk 9%, 8%, 7%, 5%, depending on me. Okay, let me risk 5%. And you can also place, this is 5 minutes. I can place 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute. Okay, this one now, let me use 1 minute candle. Like I said, I have a strategy 1, 2 minutes, and 5 minutes, you know. So as I'm gonna place this trade now very fast, I'm looking at it now. Okay, 4 seconds, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. I place it here. That's it. I've placed a trade of 1 minute so that the video will not be long. I predicted that the euro audio currency will go up. Yeah, green. So according to my prediction, it's going in my favor. Just watch how this thing will move now, and it will give me profit or loss. So from my looking at the candlestick, I guessed in the next 1 minute it should go up. That's why I placed it in 1 minute candle, and I've entered the trade. Where those two dots is very bold, it means this is where I entered that time. That's that 3:58, and we are looking at it. Okay, and I risk $774, which is 5% of the amount I started with, and I'm watching it. I can also place the root one. I can click it to see how many seconds remaining. Okay, 7 seconds, 6 seconds. If you are confused, don't worry. When you learn it, you understand it. 2 seconds, and it's giving me a result sheet, and the result will come. Yeah, I've gotten it. Wow, I'm on profit already. So this is what we do. Is that move from former amount to $11,000 in the demo. That's it. I can do it 5%, 10%, and earn. I've already earned money now with this thing I'm teaching you in the demo, and that's the same thing with life. If you cannot earn in demo, you can never earn in life, because the strategy, you pattern you use in trading demo will give you confidence to now put your real money and earn. Control your emotions and all the things I taught you in the first video. So this is just brief part two. I will do part three and explain more things, how to set your time zone, how to follow signal. For example, now I don't know whether I should show you a Telegram on one of the signals. Okay, maybe next video. So this is how it is. So with this 1 minute now, I have increased my capital. I've made money. You know, that's it. And that's how I traded that tournament. Like I told you, $100 to $200. You know, so one can also, you can lose, recover your losses, and so on and so forth. So this is something people do, and if you do it with large capital, $1,000, $2,000 in Nigeria, they will call you Yahoo Yahoo. They don't know you are trading and making money. And some will not show you their secret. Will not tell you how they are earning online. So I can go off the market, I go off this binary, come back later, and so on. So that's it, my brothers and sisters. It's one of the ways to earn money online, earning dollars, and you enjoy your life. So please subscribe to my channel. This is binary trader. I've just demonstrated with demo, and I believe next one I will use my live account. I will put some cash and to show you that I've been trading this thing. 3 to 4 years experience, and I'm now coaching people how to place trade, how to. I was following signal until I started knowing this candlestick. I can now analyze it and predict accurately to the point of in one day doubling money from $100 to $200. Some people to $300. Those who win the tournament, then that could test, and they are awarded with $1,000 in one day for knowing this binary option and for trading a tournament. I believe God, I will get to that point very soon that I will be number one as well in the whole world. Thank you for watching this video. I remain your friend and your brother, Rich Erundo. So I'm stopping here for now. If you have any question, come to the comment section of my YouTube channel, and make sure you subscribe. All right. Getting an advert to remove blah 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 to download. So I'm stopping here.